Ako po si Martin, DTF operator ng TIT-999. Nagamit ito ng 6 na araw na may bilang na 171 meters. Ito naman po yung aming printer red area. Ang huling palit po ng color dot white noong November 29 last year. Ito naman po yung aming cupping na may 100% good condition. Air clean. Punasan ng wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Ayan po, buwan naman pula. Ang ink system po namin, tama lang po ang level. Ito po yung aming waste stock, nalinis lang po nung Saturday. Ito naman po ang aming ABR. Ito naman po yung aming stock po ng CMYK ink at green solution po. DTF powder at DTF pill. Ito naman po yung weekly physical inventory report, updated. Ito naman po yung consumables withdrawal, updated din po. Daily output record. At DTF monthly checklist. Yun lang, salamat po.